Our truck-mounted crane is a multifunctional equipment that integrates lifting functions and transportation capabilities. It is widely used in construction, logistics, ports and other industries. The truck-mounted crane is equipped with a high-performance hydraulic system, which can easily complete tasks such as lifting and handling heavy objects. With its excellent load capacity and flexibility, it can quickly handle lifting operations of various sizes, greatly improve work efficiency and reduce the need for manual handling. In addition, our truck-mounted crane is compactly designed, easy to operate, and equipped with a modern control system to ensure smooth and safe completion of tasks during lifting. Its hydraulic arm can be extended to a longer distance to adapt to various complex working environments. Whether in urban construction or industrial handling, it can provide strong support to ensure a smooth workflow. If you are interested, please leave a message to contact us.